Hello everyone. I recently made this DIY earring. I made this earring for my friend's birthday. So it can be a very nice gift for your friends and your loved ones. So let's see how I did this. So to start with, these are the supplies that you need: a scissor, some scrap cloth, um, a cardboard. I have used fabric glue. You can use any other glue that you want, a scale, a pen or a pencil, some old broken earrings, thread, needle, and some beads. So to start with, I'm first cutting 2" by 2" squares from this cardboard piece. The size of this square or a rectangle or a triangle, whichever you like, you can always improvise. So that depends on your design and your taste. And so these are the two squares that I've made. Now I will be wrapping these squares with my scrap cloths. Alright, before that, I'm taking out the jhumkis from my old earrings. These were all broken earrings or earrings that I don't wear anymore. I don't like them anymore. I'm taking out the jhumkis from there and also the loops. So now it's time to wrap the cardboard with my scrap cloth. I'm using a fabric glue. You can also use a Fevicol. You can also use a glue gun. Before wrapping it, I am cutting the sides. I don't know if I just didn't realize I'm going out of the camera frame, but I'm sure you can understand. I'm just cutting the sides so that it gives a cleaner edge. Yeah. So you can see how I'm folding it. It's of course no rocket science. It's just like wrapping a gift. I had my three best friends' birthday in February, and I had these cloth. These are all materials that are available in your house easily. So I made this earring for all my three best friends. For the back, I'm again using the glue and I've cut a smaller square, and I will be covering the glue and everything, the folds basically, with this cloth. I've also folded the sides of this cloth first. So I just forgot to record it. So now it is absolutely clean and nice. Now I will be adding the jhumkis and the ear loops to these. So I'm using this small scissor to make a hole at this edge. So I have kept the jump ring that I took out from the earring. So with the help of a jump ring, I added the jhumki. I will make another hole on the opposite side to add the loops. And it's done. And similarly, before that, I just decided to add beads also to this. So I'm adding the thread first, and then I will be taking few beads into the thread. So I've taken about 8 beads here. I did not go like full, like I did not cover the full side. I have just gone till half. I somehow like this design. You can of course go till the full full line. You can also cover it all the four sides. It is as per your wish, as per your design. Once I've added this, I'm going between the beads once just to make it tighter and more stable. There you see, the earring is ready. I quickly did the second one also. And these are the three sets which I made for my three best friends. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I will see you soon. Bye bye.